So my family is going through the process of building a new construction home, and today is design day. In part one of design day, I chose the outside, the brick, the soffits, all that good stuff. Now it's time for the fun part of picking everything out on the inside. The first choice that had to be made was the floors. Well, that was easy because I already knew that I wanted these light colored floors. We opted to remove all carpet from within the house and only have wood floors throughout. That was a pretty penny to upgrade. However, I think that's money well spent because one of the things that I hate most is dirty carpet. Next, it's time to choose the countertops. And this is where things get expensive because I didn't like any of the available options that were standard within the home. I chose two that were both upgrades and moved on to the backsplash and also the cabinet color. And I was able to save a little bit of money by going standard with those choices. Here are the two choices for the countertops. Believe it or not, between the two is a $4,000 difference. I originally budgeted for about $10,000 in upgrades for today, and either of these would fit into the budget as long as I didn't upgrade anything else within the house, which is highly unlikely. So while I was deciding between the two, I went on to choose what the cabinet hardware would be. My mother is stressing out because the cabinet hardware kind of depends on what the countertops look like. At least in our world it does. Once we had the cabinet hardware nailed down, we moved on to paint colors. This choice was a little bit easier for me because I already knew I wanted bright white. I just like a clean and natural look, and bright white just really does that for me. For the backsplash, we went with a more modern up and down layout versus a more loud color or design so that the cabinets would really stand out. I like a modern yet clean look, so I didn't want them to be doing too much in the background. At this point, I'm still trying to decide between the two choices for the countertops. On one hand, I know my family is going to be in this house for a while, so I know I should go ahead and get what I want. But the day is still early and I don't want to blow my budget all in one room. I still have to choose the materials for the bathrooms. Here are my two choices. Which one would you choose? Help me pick out the bathroom in part 3.